Just a touch of your love is enough to not be up about me, no me. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your very own Zaina Jacob here yet again. And today I'll be answering to all your queries regarding me, all that you want to know, all that you need to know, and everything in general. So you'll be knowing everything about me by the end of this video. So continue watching it. It's going to be lengthy, but it's going to be worth it because you're going to get to know everything about me that I do not really speak about in general. So let's just get started. So the first one is, what's my favorite color? My favorite color has to be, it's red. I love red color and there's no other color that can compete the color red for me. And yeah, so this is my favorite color. This is my most favorite color. Everything and anything that is red, I love it. So yes, this is my favorite color. The next one is, what's my hobby? My hobby, there's a lot that I do. You can check it out on my YouTube channel as well. I mean, there's like a lot of things that I do. But one thing that stays constant has to be sleeping. I love sleeping. I can sleep all day and I can be tired the next minute. I'm just like that. And cold coffee is necessary. Yeah. So sleeping has to be my escape and it has to be my hobby because I can sleep for hours together and I can never get enough of it. There's this one day when I slept for like 20 hours straight and my parents were just like, Zaina, what's wrong with you? And I was like, I don't know, because I really do not know, but I can sleep for as long as possible. So that's my hobby for now. 3 things that I love and 3 things that I hate in general in bracket. Okay, 3 things that I love. 3 things that I love has to be, I love genuine people. I love loyalty, and the third one has to be loyal people, genuine, and the third has to be people who are well spoken. Yeah, the ones who can talk really well. I really like them. I really like people who can talk well. Yeah. So these are the 3 types of people I really love. These are the 3 things that I really love, and 3 things that I hate. 3 things that I hate has to be cheaters. No jokes. I hate cheaters. I do not like people who cheat or hurt others intentionally, even after knowing it's going to hurt them so bad. The partner, it's going to hurt the partner so bad. Hurting someone intentionally is so wrong, and so I do not like cheaters. I cannot stand cheaters. I do not like liars. The second thing has to be, I do not like liars. I cannot stand people who lie like on my face, and yeah, I just do not like the ones who lie a lot. And the third thing has to be fake people. I cannot stand people who talk something else here and then go there and then just bitch about each other and all of that. Like, be on your words. That's what I feel. If you do not like someone, do not like someone. It's fine. You don't have to go and pretend outside that you like someone. And so I cannot stand people who are quite fake, and that's my thing. So I do not like people who are fake. So here's the universal query. Are you single? The one that I keep getting every now and then on my Instagram stories as well. Yes, I am single. I am very much single, and I am really happy and doing really well, and I've been focusing on myself and investing in myself and doing what I love, doing everything that I love, and yeah, it's just all about myself for now. I am not looking for something. I am not into something. It's just me and myself for now, and I am single. It's been a long time now, and yeah. So the next one is favorite Bollywood actor and actress. Favorite Bollywood actor and actress has to be Roy Kapoor. Is this even a query? I mean, I keep posting about Aditya Roy Kapoor on my Instagram handle like every day, I feel. For the ones who are on my Instagram, I'll be mentioning down my Instagram link in the description below. You can go and follow me there so that I can get my latest updates for the videos as well as everything, you know, in general. I keep posting a lot, so you can watch my stories, you can like my posts, and then you can catch up with everything. So my favorite actor has to be Aditya Roy Kapoor. My favorite actress has to be Kareena Kapoor. Aditya Roy Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor. Yeah, Kareena Kapoor because I can relate to her. She's iconic. Her character from K3G, that is Pooh, it's quite alike. So yes, I really admire Kareena Kapoor for her acting skills as well as the way she is, and I can relate to her. So that is why I really love that lady. She's my lady love. So the next one is, what gloss do you use for daily basis? For daily basis, if you ask me, I use this gloss from Maybelline New York, that is Baby Lips. It's really nice, and it's you can get like different flavors and different colors, and yeah, I really like lipsticks and glosses which have like really nice flavor. For some reason, I don't know what's that reason, but I really like it. So I use Baby Lips on daily basis, and you'll always find it with me. The one that I use is Cherry Kiss, so you could try that. It's really nice. It's like light pink in shade, and yeah, you can get it anywhere. So that's the one that I use, and you could go for it. The next one is, which song describes which song describes me the best? You the best. I mean me. मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, ऐसा ही हूँ. That's what I tell everyone. Okay, this is my song. I've composed it by myself. People ask me why am I like this, and this is the only answer that I have, because I myself do not know why am I like this. But मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ मुझे खुद को नहीं पता, but मैं हूँ, वैसे ही हूँ, बस deal with it. Okay. Another one is, one thing that a guy has to have to be a partner. Okay. One thing that a guy has to only have if he has to be my partner or will be my partner, that is, he has to be 6 feet tall. No cap. He has to be tall. I am 5'7", so I expect my guy to be at least 6 or 6 plus, and there is no other option. I mean, I will never date someone who's like उससे ज़्यादा छोटा. Yeah. I mean, I just, in general, if that's my choice, right? So I like guys who are tall, 6 and 6 plus. I go for them always. So that is the one thing that he has to only have if he wants to be my partner. Moving on to the next one. Things that you always carry in your bag. Things that I always carry in my bag has to be my gloss. I carry my gloss with me. I have chocolates or mint always. Mint तो हमेशा मिलेगी. Chocolates also you will get. And what else? My perfume. What else? My card. That's all. I'm not someone who carries my bag everywhere I go, but when I do, these are the things that I carry with myself, and that's all. In general, I do not carry it everywhere, but when I carry it, तो बस ये essentials चाहिए होते हैं मुझे मेरे लिए, तो मैं ये carry करके जाती हूँ जहाँ पे जाना होता है मुझे. So the next one is, one thing that's a turn off about a guy. You guys are very interested about me liking a guy and what do I like and all of that, huh? देख रही हूँ मैं. One thing that's a turn off about a guy. Okay. One thing that I cannot stand is someone who doesn't know how to talk. So like if you look 10 on 10, but you do not know how to talk, like I've come across some guys who look like really nice and well, they are dressed so well, they are groomed so well, they look really like, you know, I do not even have words sometimes, you know, like they look so good, but then when they speak, they are like, ये तो क्या कर रहा है? That's how they speak. And if a guy doesn't know how to speak now, bro, I cannot. If you look 10 on 10 but you do not know how to speak, then that's a turn off for me. And I personally will never go for someone who doesn't know how to speak. So one thing that my guy has to only have, if he, you know, like wants to be my guy, he has to be very well spoken. He should know how to speak. That's very important. And the guys who do not know how to speak is a turn off for me. My personal choice, I mean. One thing that I can't commit to, I do not have commitment issues, yeah, वैसे तो. Okay, one thing that I can't commit to, this is very funny, but it's just me. It's my diet plan. I can never commit to my diet plan, dude. I can never do it. Like, I've gotten my diet plan so many times, but my trainer has been tired of it. He never gives it to me anymore because he's like, do one thing, Zaina, just come to the gym and work out for like, you know, a longer time, but तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, boss. तू मत ही कर. That is what he tells me. So I'm not someone who can commit to my diet plan. I can never maintain a specific diet and okay, what? I can just specifically never follow my diet plan, and that is about it. And I tried. It's not like I didn't try. I tried once, just once, and I could maintain it for like 4 days. 4 days. 4 दिन के लिए मैंने किया diet, but फिर मेरे से नहीं हो पाया. I could just not do it. Yeah, I really could not do it. And my friends are also very bitchy, I could say. They do not like me dieting. When I'm dieting, they'll purposely go around and they'll get me stuffs like, you know, chocolates and all that, and they'll be like, Zaina, do you want it? And I'm like, obviously I do. What are you talking about? So one of the reasons I can never maintain a diet plan is because of my friends as well, and me, of course. And yeah, so this is one thing that I can never commit to, and I don't think I can ever commit to, and I will ever commit to. So that's one thing. Any subject that you hated since childhood? The ones who know me since childhood are quite aware about this. I hate maths. I cannot do it. I just cannot. I'm so bad at it. I mean, one thing that if you ask me one thing that I'm bad at, that's maths. I'm a divorcee of maths. I just cannot do it. It's just not my thing. So when I was in my 9th or 10th grade, what I did was, 9th grade I guess, yeah, when I was in my 9th grade, what I did was, I couldn't just learn this word problem, I guess. I don't know, it was some equation or something, I don't even remember that. तो कुछ तो था, वैसा कुछ तो सम था, and me being myself, thinking I'm pretty much, you know, like, बहुत ज़्यादा smart हूँ मैं तो ये करूँगी. So what did I do was, I learned the entire thing. It was like 2 या 3 पेज का कुछ, और मैंने पूरा learn किया, ठीक है, पूरा रट्टा मारा था मैंने. And the next day when I had my exam, and I went very confidently that bro, I तो know everything, I've learned everything, रट्टा मार लिया है, अब इसको जाके सीधा वहाँ पे लिख दूँगी. Now what happens is, I write it down, okay, and that the same word problem is there. वो आया है, ठीक है, एग्जाम में वो आया, मैंने लिख दिया. उसके बाद जिस दिन मेरा रिजल्ट है, उस दिन my maths teacher literally called me up. She's like, you just come aside. And I was like, maybe I've like scored so well, that is why she's calling me out. So I went. I'm like, yeah. I was like, yes, miss. And then she tells me that there's one thing that I want to know. Without solving this sum, how did you get the right answer? And I didn't have an answer to it, because how do I tell her what did I do? I literally just rectified everything and just like went on writing फटाफट. मैंने literally जो 20 मिनट लोग लगाते होंगे, तो मैंने उसको 5 मिनट में लिखा था, क्योंकि I had learned it all, and that was my trick. But I got caught, unfortunately, and my miss, she was really mad at me for doing that. She was like, you are something. Firstly, she was mad at me, and मतलब पहले तो उन्होंने मुझे चिल्लाया, but after that she was like, what are you? You're different. I didn't have an answer to that, because I was just like that, yeah. I was just like that. I used to think I can solve it, but I did not. You know, like, uh, I didn't even try solving these equations or whatsoever. And algebra तो was, bro, I cannot do algebra. अब मेरे को कभी कुछ समझा ही नहीं. A squared, B squared, X into Y and all. So yes, I'm a divorcee of maths and I can never solve maths. You can ask me for anything and any advices or anything for that matter. But if you come to me asking for something that's related to maths, sorry boss, I cannot help you out. I'm so sorry, but I can never help you out with it because I am not someone you come to if you are in a need, you know, like if you are wanting to know about some word problem. It's just not my thing. And last but not the least, one advice to all of y'all, the ones who are watching me. I was not good at maths. I didn't opt for science. I really wanted to do it because I was really good at it. I was good at bio. I was good at overall. I was just like, you know, quite fond of it, and I wanted to do it. But then I realized I'm not good at maths, and so I didn't take it up. So one thing that you should always remember is do what you love. Do not go for what people tell you. People are going to tell you that you know, you should go, you should take up for something that everyone else is doing. Like right now, there are many parents I've seen, my friends as well. I've seen them opting for science just because everyone else is doing that around them. So do not do that to yourself. Do what you love. Do what you want to. Do what you want to, not what everyone else wants you to, or not what your parents want you to. Right now, I've taken up. So after my 10th, I got done with my 10th. I opted for arts, and after that, right now I'm studying English literature. So I always wanted to do that, and I'm doing it right now. So this is the one thing that I want to tell you guys, that do what you love and keep doing it until you get on top. And I am like the best example, if you could, you know, like know about it, because I'm someone who really wanted to get ahead with everything that I wanted to do. I mean, I never thought of myself that I could sing so well, or I could sing for that matter. I mean, I always loved singing since I was a kid, but I had no clue that I could sing on like, you know, on a platform like YouTube or on Instagram. But right now I am doing it so well, and I get a lot of appreciation from all you guys as well as my school teachers, and that makes me happy. It really does make me happy to see messages from my class teacher, to see messages from my school friends and teachers. It really does make me happy that I did what I had to, and today I'm here just because of you guys, because of all the love and everything. Yeah, I mean, the support that I get is like, I can't even express how I feel, but that is how it is. So do what you want, do what you love, and keep doing it until you achieve your goals. And yes, this is it for today. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, mention down in the comment section below what do you want me to talk about, or you know, some games or something that's really fun. Let me know in the comment section below, and we could do it in the next video. Also, don't forget to spread love, guys. Keep smiling, spread love, and be happy, stay positive, wear your masks everywhere you go, and carry your sanitizer everywhere you go. So this is it for today. See you guys. Mwah.